Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week, the 17th of April. Apologies in advance for the audio of this particular video as I'm in a hotel room at the Microsoft Mothership in Redmond, so I don't have all my audio equipment with me. Doing this in a hotel room on a single laptop. As with every week, just be reminded that certain dates may change and certain settings may not be available to you, but fingers crossed they'll come to you soon. Now, starting off first with Microsoft Lists is rolling out a new way to visualize and clear the filters that are presented in a view. You can add and adjust filters or narrow and expand what appears in a view inside of a list. You'll see which have filters applied, and you can also then remove them without having going back to the column filter pane. Those who use lists quite a lot will very much appreciate this, and it is rolling out late April to late May. Now, soon in Office on the desktop, Microsoft 365 apps on Windows 10 and 11, you might soon see a slight adjustment to the ribbon visuals, nothing major, and at this point it's entirely actually opt-in. It's more so to align with the design aspects used elsewhere in Windows 11 and other Microsoft products, and is rolling out now to mid-May. Now, some new capabilities in Outlook on mobile on iOS and Android will actually change videos from appearing as a regular normal attachment into a thumbnail of the video when reading an email that contains the video. Now, upon tapping the thumbnail, you'll be able to view the video in full mobile screen with full screen playback. Now, on Android, however, the new video capture and upload feature will allow you to actually upload a video with your phone within Outlook Mobile and seamlessly upload it to the email being composed, which will actually then leverage OneDrive for Business, allowing you to share videos of a large size and length with OneDrive. And if you really want, you can just compose a new email and then record a video and not actually type any words in at all. Isn't the future wonderful? This is rolling out now to mid-May. Speaking of video, the new video tab in Microsoft Search will improve the search in your organization by having a dedicated place to search through Stream, OneDrive, SharePoint videos, and this video tab will actually appear on Microsoft Search in Bing, Office, SharePoint, and Stream. Yes, you can use Bing to search through your work stuff. This is rolling out late April to sometime over the next few months for the capability to search from Bing. Now, Teams, it's been a while since we've spoken about Teams, is adding an upgraded audio experience in meetings known as Spatial Audio. Now, Spatial Audio brings a next-generation immersive soundscape to your Teams meeting when using either wired stereo headset or built-in stereo speakers. What this new audio experience does is spatializes the voice of attendees across the visual meeting stage in the gallery view, which helps make conversations more natural, increasing the sense of audio presence and making the conversation easy to follow when multiple people are speaking together. Now, there's actually a few different ways to enable it, as you can see from the screenshots across the various Teams meeting screens and option areas. To summarize that, what it will mean is somebody who's coming from the left, whose video is on the left of your screen, their audio will sound like it's coming from the left, and someone on the right will sound like it's coming from the right. It's a little bit weird initially, but you get used to it. This is rolling out late April to early May. Now, you may soon start seeing some apps in Teams being automatically installed for you if you've simply signed into a site using your Microsoft 365 account that also offers a Teams app. Now, for example, if you sign into SurveyMonkey on the web using your Microsoft 365 account, then, depending on whether IT has allowed it, the app in Teams will automatically be installed for you. This is rolling out now through to early May. And that's it for Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 this week.